The 4DRC Mini RC drone is a uniquely versatile toy that offers an innovative 3-in-1 experience, transforming from a flying quadcopter into a hovercraft capable of navigating both land and water. Designed for fun and easy operation, this drone is perfect for kids and beginners who want to explore different environments and enjoy a variety of play modes. Its robust design and simple controls make it a great gift for anyone looking for a multifunctional remote-controlled toy. 3-in-1 deformable design. The standout feature of this product is its ability to switch between flight mode, ground mode, and surface mode. The drone can be used on its own for flight, or it can be combined with the foam hovercraft hull to glide over both land and water surfaces. This all-in-one gameplay is easy to operate and provides incredible versatility, allowing for a wide range of fun activities. Beginner-friendly controls and features. The 4DRC Mini is designed with new pilots in mind. It includes a headless mode, which eliminates the need to distinguish the front and rear directions of the aircraft, simplifying control. It also has a 360 degrees roll function for performing impressive stunts and a 3-speed switch, high, medium, and low, to adapt to different flight environments and skill levels. Safe and reliable flight. The drone is equipped with a hollow cup brush motor, which provides powerful performance. For added safety, it has a low-voltage automatic alarm and an automatic landing function that activates 30 to 60 seconds in advance. The battery charging process also has a protection function, with an automatic power-off feature once fully charged via the included USB high-speed charging cable. Compact and durable build. The drone and hovercraft are made from durable plastic, metal, and electronic components. The drone itself has a compact size of 18 by 18 by 7.5 centimeters and is easily combined with the foam hull for its land and sea modes. The convenient plug-in battery structure makes installation and replacement quick and easy. Decent performance and range. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 700 mAh body battery, providing a use time of approximately 8 to 10 minutes. The remote control operates on a 2.4G frequency and offers a remote distance of more than 50 meters for flight, ground, and water surface modes. This range is more than sufficient for its intended use as a recreational toy. In summary, the 4DRC Mini 3-in-1 drone is an incredibly fun and versatile remote-controlled toy. Its ability to operate in the air, on land, and on water makes it a truly unique product that offers multiple play experiences in a single package. With its user-friendly controls, durable design, and safety features, it's an excellent choice for a gift for children and beginners who are looking to explore a new and exciting way to play. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which mode you'd try first.